take a breath and notice how even before you try to calm down, the body is already doing it for you. It's funny, isn't it? How healing never waits for permission. It begins. It simply begins the moment you stop resisting what's already true. And so, with each breath, the surface world fades a little. The noise softens. The ache becomes an opening. And maybe, as your eyes rest heavier, you realize it was never about forgetting them. It was always about remembering you. Because deep beneath the ache that feels ancient and endless and holy in some way, there is a quiet pulse, the original rhythm of you. And this pulse is unbreakable and unlost. It's eternal. And as that rhythm grows louder, you might even notice that every part of your body begins to listen in now. Every cell, every nerve, remembering what peace feels like. That's right. And just enjoy this feeling for one moment in time. Now imagine your heart, not as something broken, but as a temple. Every crack just another window where light can pour in. And there in the center of that temple, a flame still burns, steady and ancient, golden light. And it has never gone out, not once. Even when you felt empty, even when you said, I can't, even when you forgot your own divinity, the flame remained. And as you breathe into that light, you begin to feel the pulse of the entire universe breathing back, don't you? You were never separate from it. You are simply learning how to return. And you can notice that, the paradox, that the more you surrender, the more control you actually regain. The less you hold, the more love you feel. Because love has never asked to be held, only received. So maybe in this moment, you can just let it in. Let the ache melt into warmth. And let that warmth melt into peace. And let that peace expand until it becomes recognition. You see, you're not falling apart. You are falling back into alignment. Every tear is a code, washing away what's not real. Every silence is sacred, where truth can echo back to you. Every memory that stings is really a message saying, this no longer belongs. And you don't need to fight it. You don't need to understand it. You can simply let it do what it came to do. And just feel it. That's the beauty of heartbreak. It was never punishment. It was an initiation into sovereignty, into self, into remembering the love that doesn't leave. And you may already sense somewhere deep, quiet, certain that the more you release, the lighter you will become. The lighter you are becoming now, right now. And the lighter you become, the more love you can hold. And the more love you hold, the less you ever need to chase. It's all just energy, recognizing and reorganizing into its wholeness. And that reorganization is happening right now. So while your conscious mind drifts gently, the deeper intelligence of your heart is already doing its work, turning pain into wisdom, memory into medicine, and loss into luminous space. And now, feel your breath like waves rising and falling along the shore of your heart. Each inhale soothing your nerves, each exhale retraining your system to believe again in safety. Because heartbreak doesn't close you off, it calibrates you. It clears static from the frequency of love so you can tune to a higher truth. And isn't it beautiful to realize you're not healing because something's wrong with you. You're healing because your soul chose to evolve through feeling. So as the breath slows and the body softens even more now, your nervous system begins to hum in harmony with the universe again. The human remembering the divine, the infinite remembering. And every time you breathe, you're teaching your body that love is safe to feel again. Now imagine your heart glowing brighter, so bright it spills into your aura, so wide it touches everything you've ever loved, everything that will love you still. And you're not missing anything. You're magnetizing everything. So breathe that in, because even now, even here, love is reorganizing around your new vibration. And what's meant for you can't help but find you. It's already on its way. And maybe the next time you think of them, you'll feel peace instead of pain, because the love you felt wasn't proof of what you lost, but proof of what you are. So take a slow, deep breath in now. And as you exhale, let your body whisper, I release with grace. I align with truth. I am love, remembering itself. And whether you open your eyes now or in a few minutes, you'll bring with you this frequency of peace that doesn't depend on love, that doesn't fade, of alignment that doesn't end, because you are never falling apart. You are falling inwards. Inward is where everything begins again. Thank you for joining us tonight.